Uncensored. I got it. Rednecks and Paychecks Uncensored. It costs $10. You got a text phone number 214-444-9027. Somebody in chat write that down for them. 214-444-9027. Send a picture of you cash apping the Lookout Racing Cash App, and bam, I'll send you the link. The event for No Guts, No Glory is December 9th through it's really December 8th through the 12th, but I'm going on the 9th through the 12th. And then the next event gonna be the week after that. Dang, somebody called flying. The next event is December, like, what's that, 16th to the 18th. Yeah, you can't save money by driving there. Man, what you want me to drive that Honda? Hell no, you gonna spend $400 getting there and getting back. You get reimbursed for expenses, food, tools. I should be getting about $2,500 back from the last few trips. Shit, I be having to buy that shit myself and hope to pray y'all feeling friendly and want to donate back. I ain't finna keep doing that though. I got a new method, y'all. It might be the method to either bring the channel down or bring it up. But I'm finna start charging. Right now, I probably get to start charging a monthly charge on YouTube. Is it back, Twisted Soul? Oh man, what they done did? Ah, he done went. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Lose his car in this damn thing. Yeah. Is that the car I just seen flying through here? Yeah. Golly, I was thinking. Here, so I was trying to get on the brakes and get out of the way of that truck, and it just didn't stop. Yeah, you got another screwdriver? You need another screwdriver? Yeah, if we got another, when you pick it up, I can get on this lip right here, because it's got a little lip right there. I think it's locked. There ain't no water in that son of a bitch. You want to break the screwdriver? Yeah. I mean, if I can get another screwdriver on that lip. Man, I think that thing locked. It ain't locked? No, they're not locked. It's just in there, you know what I'm saying? It's just yeah. Okay, golly. Look at you're going to be paranoid of the drains now. I did never cross my mind until I was like, oh fuck, drain, and it just I was like, oh, you think they twist lock or it just it just oh, they say it just dropped. Here, we got oh, okay, there we go. Here, see if you can get in. See if you can try with that again. Here, see if you can get it on that. Yeah, man, y'all gotta go and get it, cause if y'all don't get it, Twisted Soul gonna come up here.
He's gonna get into RC drag racing.
Yeah.
Can you get it's cheaper than a real car, bro?
Yeah.
You've been in the real races, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's locked.
It ain't locked. It's just gotta come up like unison, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's why they have that low. I can't get this fucker in here either. Ah, shit me right from that side. I mean, there's a lip right here. Is it up, you mean? Yeah, it won't pick up. Yes, like
man.
Put your screwdriver down. This thing's gonna break, isn't it? Yeah, don't try it.
There ain't nobody here work for the water company, man.
I work for a water system, just not this one.
God dang.
I mean, we can see the car.
You got, what about a broom? Somebody got a broom?
I mean, I can see the car. If I had something or something like that. I mean, I see the car laying right there.
Hey. I would get up in there for y'all, but shit.
I was gonna say, if I can have a bolt or something to stick down in there and it'll turn sideways to catch it and pick it up. You know what I'm saying? Something, yeah, just a stick in there.
God damn.
I see the car. Told him maybe. wonder if this one opens easier.
Try this one.
This one opens easier.
Yeah, you might. Yeah, Summit Racing got all the tools we need.
See if I can find
Oh yeah, that one picking up better. Yeah, get it on the side. Come on, baby. Oh, it look like it'll lift, but then it ain't lifting. Come on, baby. Oh, it look like it's gonna work.
Now we gotta get that way.
Yeah, why is it more screwdrivers working?
Yeah. That heavy?
No, it's not wedged in there. It's like just the perfect size.
For real.
Damn, it's like right there. Huh?
Man. Yeah, the RC car went in the drain. They need a car four-way. What the fuck that'll do?
Let it go. It's gonna come down.
It has a lip. Hammer it around till the dirt breaks apart and it will open. Cool thing.
There's nothing under it.
No.
He said I got everything.
No, there's a lip to keep it even. Looks like there's 3 lips.
Oh, it's
So you gotta turn it. Center it.
Another one.
Here go another.
Straight up.
Yeah.
Golly.
This side's already staying.
Let me see. Hammer the screwdriver around the sides where it's not as open.
Yes. You got tools. We're fishing.
Okay. Yeah, that's gonna do. Yeah. They said try to get it in the size where it ain't. Man, y'all been in that.
Stop. Yes. What's something stopping it?
They said something stopping it.
It doesn't look like. That's exactly what it is.
What is it?
It's a centering tab, ain't it? Or is it
No.
twist lock?
It's a twist lock.
Where it fucking twists at, you come out. And there's a tab here and a tab here.
Y'all ain't got no magnet. We might need a magnet. Can't get one of them.
You got a coat hanger by any chance?
Oh, it's 5 pounds.
Kind of hot hanger.
You might have to put it down and like
Twist it.
we may have to put one of the 5 bars here. Hammer it around sideways.
Yeah, somebody. Hurry up, put it in there and then hammer it back.
Where it's supposed to be.
Yeah. We don't know if it turns.
Oh, there's a key on it?
Well, it's got like locking ears that go out, so you got to find which way it comes. It comes
I
up.
can't see them doing you ain't twisting that way unless they got a long bar.
I can't see.
Man,
Best way to get a cell phone
where the zip,
look at it. The car's right here. I mean, you can see
the extension cord, where the zip on the eyelet, run a chain and borrow engine horse from Summit. God damn.